This is a frictional story because, according to Ezekiel 48, from the river to the sea, the land will be inherited by the 12 tribes of Israel. Yep, the 12 tribes of Israel. Jesus reuniting Judah with the 10 lost tribes of Israel that were sent to exile by ancient Assyrian king Shalmaneser IV, who destroyed Samaria. ISIS destroyed the ancient city of Nimrod in 2015, biblical evidence of the 10 lost tribes in modern-day Iraq. How? Zechariah 14 will have to happen first, where the land will be separated from the Mediterranean Sea to the river Jordan. For Jesus said, "You will never see me again until you say, God bless him, he who comes in the name of the Lord." They will use this path to escape. Half the city will be taken to exile and half the city will remain. And the lost tribes? Jesus will fulfill the promise to unite them into one kingdom. He will dry out the river Euphrates, making dry land for the 10 tribes to escape from the north to Israel. The land will be divided into 13, 12 for the 12 tribes of Israel, and with the 13th being the lost portion of the country. Together, they will rebuild the third temple, making it a scene in Ezekiel 40 and Revelation 13. This is where the Lord's glory will return to the temple, since Solomon's temple destruction by the Babylonian Empire.
إسرائيل دولة لا مقام لها على أرضنا. إحنا الدولة لابد أن نزيلها. إسرائيل غير منطقي. هي إسرائيل مش إحنا ضحية الاحتلال. نقطة وآخر السطر.
What occupation? The occupation that came as a result of World War I between Lloyd David George and Sharif Hussein of Mecca, the Sykes-Picot Agreement for the independence of Arabs from the Turkish Empire. Listen to this. Subject to the above modification, Great Britain is prepared to recognize and support the independence of Arabs in all the regions within the limits demanded by Sharif of Mecca. I am convinced that this declaration will assure you beyond all possible doubt of the sympathy of Great Britain towards the aspiration of her friends the Arabs and will result in a firm and lasting alliance, the immediate result of which will be the expulsion of the Turks from the Arab countries and the freeing of the Arab people from the Turkish yoke, which for so many years has pressed heavily upon them.
الأقصى لمعلوميتكم ما عندكم أقصى، ما في شيء اسمه أقصى، في شيء اسمه القدس. المسجد الأقصى اللي ورد ذكره هو بالجعرانة 29 كيلو على الطائف، وكان المسجدين المسجد الأقصى والمسجد الأدنى. المسجد الأقصى حقكم بناه الشام عام 72 هجري، كيف يسرى محمد له وهو مبني عام 72 للهجرة؟ يعني بعد وفاة محمد ب60 سنة.
So whose land is this? A brief guide to Al-Haram al-Sharif, published by the Supreme Muslim Council after Sharif Hussein of Mecca. It says, in the west wall of the chamber, a door opens into the staircase descending to Solomon's stables. Let's come down here. It dates probably as far back as to the construction of Solomon's temple. According to Josephus, it was in existence and was used as a place of refuge by the Jews at the time of the conquest of Jerusalem by Titus in the year 70 AD. Daniel 9 verse 26. At the end of that time, the anointed one, the Messiah, will be killed unjustly. The city and the temple will be destroyed by the invading army of a powerful ruler. So this land belongs to Israel, a national home for the Jewish people. I have much pleasure in conveying to you on behalf of His Majesty's government the following declaration of sympathy with Jewish Zionist aspirations, which has been submitted to and approved by the Covenant. His Majesty's government view with favor the establishment in Palestine of a national home for the Jewish people. Thank you for watching.